I'm feeling grateful. I wanna thank. I'm feeling grateful.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝘸𝘦𝘢𝘶. If you're new here, I make faith, college, and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So today I have for you guys a college room tour. I'm so excited that I finally get to show you guys what my room looks like. I love how my room looks this year. It makes me so happy because I've been trying so hard to get my room together and to get it in a way that I like, and finally I did. It looks so good and I can't wait to show you guys. I don't have a specific aesthetic, like I'm not just boho or minimal or whatever. I like a blend of all the things. I like whatever kind of feels bright and airy and girly and feminine and luxury, so that is what my room looks like. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Stay tuned for more back to school videos. I am a senior this year in college, so I'm going to be bringing all the back to school, all the college content that I can, so make sure you subscribe so you can see all of it. But yeah, enough said, let's get into the video. So starting at my door, I just have my bag hung right here. I love this bag. I've been using it lately. It's from Shein. But I have my bag on my door, and then I also have my keys right here. Usually I keep my mask right next to it, but I have my mask in a separate place right now. But yeah, that's just the front of my room. And then next, this door right here, this is my bathroom door. I'm not gonna show you my bathroom because it looks crazy in there, like crazy. But whenever I get it cleaned up, I'll be sure to show y'all in like a vlog or something, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Next we have over here, hello, you can see me. I'm currently carrying my tripod because I don't have one of those little tabletop small tripod things. So here we are. This is my little like mirror section of my room, I would guess. I don't know what you call it. And then this is my like dresser. So I just have like my lotions and stuff. I don't know why is this open. So over here I just have like my lotions and stuff. My smell goods. I have my perfume and like nail polish, some other just random things like seashells from Myrtle Beach and whatever. Yeah, and I have my TV. And then my jewelry box is over there, and then in these drawers down here I have just like some clothes that I wear every day, so pajamas and all that good stuff. And then here I have my mirror. Hello once again. Down here I just have a basket that just holds like clothes that like aren't dirty but aren't clean, you know what I'm talking about. So I have a basket. I have a picture that I painted for my friend's birthday. And then I just have these decorations here. I have this plant that I got from TJ Maxx, this little column thing from Hobby Lobby, and then this little vase and flower. The flowers are fake, no idea where they're from, I forgot, but the vase was also from Hobby Lobby. So there's that. Next is my favorite place, the bed. Why am I talking like that? Anyway, so yeah, this is my bed. I love this section of my room because I love my bed. I like to sleep. I like to chill in my bed. My comforter is from TJ Maxx, and then I have these two pictures up here. They're from Etsy. I just printed them out. The frames I think were just lying around at my parents' house, so I just grabbed them and then I put those prints in there. They'll be close-up shots so you'll be able to see, but yeah, this one says the joy of the Lord is my strength, and then this one is just a really pretty flower drawing that I found. So yeah, and if you watched my back to school haul, you would have seen this. It's a really pretty like hanging wall decoration. I'm sorry that the light is like kind of drowning it out, but a really pretty wall decoration. I called it a net in my haul. But it's really cute. It's like I still don't know the name of this thing. But it's this really cool hanging wall decoration and I really love it. I really love the way it looks over my bed. It looks really pretty. And if we get closer here are all my pillows. I have like 20,000 pillows. This is actually a lot less because back in the day I used to have so many. I downsized, if you can believe it. But so this pillow right here is from Target. This pillow right here is from TJ Maxx, and the two in the back are also from TJ Maxx. And then the black one is from a store called Tuesday Morning. I don't know if any of you guys have heard about it, but. And then the two white pillows in the back are came in the set with this comforter, and then I have the two pillows that I actually sleep on. Those are just some random pillows that I got, I think, at Ross, and then I just put like a satin pillow cover over them. So yeah, that is my bed. Okay, and then we have my nightstand right here. By the way, all the furniture came with my apartment, so I did not buy any of like the nightstands or my desk or my dresser or my bed. I didn't buy any of that. But anyway, so here on my nightstand I just have my hydro flask, which I'm drinking with a straw because I saw one of my favorite YouTubers, 𝘰𝘰𝘮𝘰, she was drinking out of her hydro flask with a straw, and I got influenced, and so I did it too. That's so random and irrelevant. But yeah, so I have my hydro flask here, and then I have my phone. I have some vitamins, a picture of me and my family, another picture that was given to me by somebody I really love, a little lamp here that came with my room, and yeah, usually I keep a book here too, because I like to read sometimes before bed. And then in my nightstand I literally just keep socks and hats right there. But yeah, that's my nightstand. And then if we move further out, you'll see like I have a rug down here. This rug is from Ross, and yeah, it's just this like beige colored rug, and I like the way it ties everything in the room kind of together. So there's that. Okay, so next we have my desk area. It looks pretty crazy, and I've tried multiple times to make it look less crazy, and I failed. And I don't think I'll ever succeed in that. So here's my desk area. So under here we just have a crate with like my heater for the winter, and some books and stuff. Sometimes I'll keep like my charger cords in there as well, just to make the space look cleaner, which I probably should have did that for this video. But I also have another little bin over here with more books and stuff, because I just lots of books. Anyway, I also have my backpack. That's what that black thing is right there, and I will be using that this semester. I haven't used it in a very long time. But I will be using it this semester. And then of course my trash can. And then on top of my desk, you can start over here, I just have like, oh sorry, okay, I just have my Bible, journal, devotional, some stickers, and then I have my desk lamp, which was from 𝘠𝘦𝘢. If you're looking for like little cute things for your dorm, that's a good place to shop. And then I have this little pencil holder. I think this was from Ross, I'm pretty sure. And then I have this little desk planner. It's a monthly spread. It was featured in my back to school haul if you want to know where it's from. My laptop with my hard drive attached because I edit all day every day. Then this little Bath and Body candle. And then over here I have flowers. I always like to keep some flowers in there. They're looking a little bit scanty because they've been drooping. It looks so sad. But I also have my Cara vitamins, the day, which this is not correct at all. It's a little date thing. And then of course the hand sanitizer and the cap for my candle, and then I have an SD card lying in there. And then in here I just have random junk like paper clips, magnets, thumbtacks. I have tape, post-it notes in there, and then just more junk, but necessary junk in here, like a stapler and whatever. And then over here I just have some notebooks that I use. My planner is in there, and the book that I'm reading. Atomic Habits, which everybody's reading. But it's actually a really good book, so it's worth the hype. Okay, and then next over here is my closet. I am missing a closet door because it broke and they never brought it back. So there is that. My closet is a big old mess right now, but I will show you when it's finished, so again, stay tuned. But yeah, I just have most of my clothes. In there I also have like some storage bins. Right here I have more clothes. This is not dirty, these are clean, they just haven't been folded. Okay. And then we're almost done, you guys. This is the last spot right here of my room. It's just my little bar cart. These were really popular back in like 2018 when I was a freshman, and I could not find them anywhere because they were always sold out. So I think I got this from like a random website. I think it was like Michael's online because that was the only place I could find it. But this is my bar cart, like I said. It's like a rolling cart. I just have this flower from Ross, I believe. This little, what do you call this? This little like picture print thing from, I think it's TJ Maxx. This was given to me at an event that I went to, I think my sophomore year. It's a diffuser, I love that thing. Then under here I just have like lots of books and stuff, as you can see. I have a few candles, and then back here I have a bin with all of my masks in them. So I don't know if you can see that, but I have all of my masks in that little black bin. And then more books and stuff under there. And then I have my yoga mat right here, which I got from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, period, poo, what? I got this little purple mat right here from TJ Maxx because we love TJ Maxx. So yeah, that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a quick little tour. It's not that big of a room, so it wasn't gonna be a long tour or anything, but I hope you guys liked it. I love my room this year. It looks so good. It's so comfy and cozy and cute and girly and all of the things. So let me know what your like favorite part is. I love, like I said, my bed space. But also let me know what you're doing for your room, what y'all's rooms look like. I would love to see that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.